How to download Focus To Do. If you are looking to boost your study efficiency, downloading Focus To Do is a fantastic choice. This app combines the Pomodoro technique with task management, making it a great tool for effective study time management. Let's walk through how to download it on different devices. First, if you are using an Android device, you will want to start by opening the Google Play Store app. This is the official app store for Android devices. Once you are in the store, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in Focus To Do and hit search. You should see the app titled Focus To Do, Pomodoro and Tasks, developed by SuperElement Soft. When you find it, simply tap the Install button. The app will download and install on your device in just a few moments. Now, if you are using an Apple device like an iPhone or iPad, the process is quite similar. Open the App Store on your device. Tap the search icon, which is usually at the bottom of the screen. Enter Focus To Do in the search bar and look for the app named Focus To Do, Focus Timer and Tasks. Once you find it, tap Get or the download icon to begin the installation. After the app is installed, you can open it right away. While signing up with an email and password is optional, doing so allows you to sync your tasks and settings across multiple devices. This feature can be particularly useful if you switch between your phone and computer while studying. Focus To Do is designed to help you manage your study time effectively. It integrates the Pomodoro technique, which breaks your work into focused intervals of 25 minutes followed by short breaks. This method can help you stay on task and improve your productivity. The app also includes features like reminders, task lists, and habit tracking, making it a comprehensive tool for students looking to enhance their study habits. In summary, downloading Focus To Do is a straightforward process, whether you are using an Android or an Apple device. By taking this step, you are setting yourself up for better time management and more effective study sessions. So, go ahead and get started with Focus To Do today.